What's going on, you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm back in the Subaru. The last video I uploaded, I felt kind of bad that there was really nothing exciting that happened, so I figured I might as well do another canyon run. I'm not gonna be going back to Ortega, but there is another canyon here, like a little canyon run close to my house. So I'll be doing that. Hopefully it's better than the last video. I just felt bad putting it out there and it wasn't really like all that great of a video, but I also didn't want to like not post anything, but in hindsight I probably just shouldn't have. But yeah, I mean, it's part of the process, you learn. Got my drink ready. Anybody that knows me knows that NOS is my favorite energy drink, but this is 0 calories, and gyms being closed and all, your boy's not trying to gain a lot of weight, so I'm being more conscious as to what I eat, how much I'm eating, so forth, so forth. But yeah, stick around. Hopefully this video's a lot better than the last one. So that right there is I guess, I don't know how famous it is, but it's a pretty famous bar. It's called Cook's Corner. It's like a biker bar. I know a few celebrities have had food there. I know Selena Gomez has been there, Justin Bieber. I don't know who else, but like if you're local to the area, you pretty much know about that bar. And it just so happens to be the entrance to the canyon I'm going on right now. Oh, somebody making a U-turn. It's a nice 4Runner. There's a lot of cars out today. I love my intake. So for those of you that don't know, that's just the intake. I don't have a blow-off valve. I just have the stock bypass valve. The noises you're hearing are just from the intake. Ready? I love that sound. Also, I'm trying out a new filter, or I think it's called like an N4 filter or something, like lens. It kind of covers the lens. Here, I'll show you guys. So that little blue thing, it covers the whole lens, and I guess it's supposed to help with like the not overexpose your videos and stuff. So we'll see how that turns out. Let me know in the comments if you guys notice a difference or not. The last few videos I've had to edit the actual color of the video just because it does seem very overexposed. T-bird. But for the most part, I feel like the GoPro does a really good job of recording. Like, it does great with stabilization. It does good with like the colors. A lot of people constantly ask me like, hey, like, what do you use to record your videos? And I say like, it's just a GoPro. And they're like, really, just a GoPro? And like, they're super surprised. But I was surprised when I first started recording with it. It is it's really neat how well of a job it does. But you guys can see a little bit right here, like to the right or left, I mean. Cars on the way back. But in addition to this canyon, where Cook's Corner was, where it forks off to the right, there's another small canyon, like, but that one's more windy, so I'll probably be going through there just so you guys can see it as well. But let me figure out where to make this U-turn right now. I'll just do it right here. Screw it. Just because there's like nothing else over there. It's just. All right, let's see how this goes. Coming behind me, so I had a smash. This would have been perfect, but this car's in front of me and they're not letting me through. able to see like how windy the road gets and stuff. Alright, the little Mitsubishi in front isn't going super slow, so oh, just kidding. I've gone through here a couple of times. It's never been, I've never gone like super crazy fast, but like yeah, there's been a couple pucker moments. I've been on this trail with people and I've never really been like, oh my god, I'm scared or whatever, except for one person. Only one person has made me really hold on to like the seat and the handles and everything. Thank you. Her name is Steph. Steph, if you're watching, I'm talking about you. Oh my goodness. Me and my friend Richie were in the car. She has a Subaru WRX as well, 2015. And the way she was taking these turns and how fast she was going, I was literally holding onto the O'Shea handle and I was like, I'm gonna die. I was so scared. Like, I've never really been scared in like a car when another person drives. Obviously I'd rather be driving, but I've never been scared up until that moment. And I was like this, and the seat just holding on. Like, it was insane. This road, especially at night, because there's like no cars on there or on it, but same thing, it's dangerous, you know, people can lose control. There was actually this one time, I think it was in the news as well, a Lamborghini ended up going through here and smashing into that tree or that somewhere. But yeah, that Lambo was like done, destroyed. The driver was okay. Also, one of my friends from high school was down here with somebody, and the person driving lost control. They wrapped around a tree, and he ended up in a coma for like 2 weeks. And it was just a very sad story. I don't want to like depress anybody, but it was super sad. You know, his life was never the same after that. Like, he came back, he recovered, but not 100%. So it was just consequences to like you driving like an ass. So like, I know I'm going a little, not even going that fast, you know, but if you're gonna do anything stupid in a car, just do it by yourself. Like, don't risk anybody else's life. Don't jeopardize anybody else just because you're trying to be cool or show off or anything. Like, don't ever push your car more than you're comfortable with, just because like you don't know what could happen, you know. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on the situation. Well, guys, there's traffic. Oh no, it's just a trash truck. I actually know the person in the Jeep over there. Jimena, if you're watching, hey Jimena. That's one of my best friend's wife. If you're local to the area, or you like, even if you're not, but you've like gone off-roading and you've heard of Holy Gym, this is the entrance right here. What the hell? There's people having picnics in the... What? Alright, I'm shook. I don't know what's going on. That's like a riverbed that's dried up right now because it's hot. So, but people were just down there with umbrellas and like beach chairs and just having picnics. Probably not the best idea right now, seeing as everything is the way it is, but oh well. For anybody watching that cares, I'm gonna get one of those Corollas. I'm gonna make it my new daily. I'm gonna put it on bags, stance it out. It's gonna be crazy. Watch. I don't know when. I don't know how soon, but it's gonna be a thing. Maybe not that one. Then the generation after. last video, and I hope this was a lot better. I know I do a lot of talking, but I feel awkward just sitting here recording. And I mean, I try to give you guys little fun facts about where I live, the area I'm living in, so forth, so forth. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna end it there. That was like 2 separate small canyons, I guess. Sorry about the last video. I know it wasn't that great, but hope this one is a lot better. Hope this one kind of makes up for it in a way. Let me know what your favorite part was down below. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions, any places you think I should go driving and it's like local to SoCal, yeah, just put it in the description, or in the description, just kidding, the comments, and I'll see if I can check it out. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day.